Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can find someone in Hilokal language social app. So language exchange app. So it's not only people. If you want to find anything, then you can watch this video. So you can see like on the search icon, the above part here. Simply click on that. So once you click on that, then you can see search table, cafe and people. It means like you can search table means room, or you can join. Okay, I'm just going to search randomly, like sorry. So I'm just going to search any OLEG. So I just follow. So it means I found this one. Or you can also scroll down, then you will choose which person you are going to find. Then you can go their profile, or you can follow them, or you can message them. Okay, for example, I'm just going to choose this person, then I can message them and I can follow them, anything. Okay, so it's really easy. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's moment, thank you for watching.